Good morning, students. Today I will discuss your topic of my body. It is EVS for class 2. Okay, now let's start our topic, my body. In our body, two parts. One is external parts, body parts. Another one is internal body parts will be there. So, external means we see in the necktie from the outside. So, they are present outside of our body. So, which are the external category? The head is external body parts, neck also, arms, legs, eyes, ears, so many things will be our external body parts. Next, move to the internal body parts section. So, internal means we cannot see in the necktie, and also outside, it will be present in our inner body parts, the inner side of the body. Yes? So, brain, stomach, lungs, kidneys, heart, it will be all our internal body parts category. Okay. Next, move to the next slide. So, important points in our topic, the mouth. What is mouth? Mouth has two leaves. Mouth has two leaves and many teeth and a tongue. And many teeth and a tongue also in our mouth. Okay. And limbs, what is limbs? Limbs is arms and legs together are called is limbs. Arms and legs togetherly called is limbs. Okay. Now what is now hands? Two hands in human body. So there are four fingers. In two hands there are four fingers for each hand and one thumb also is present in each hand. Okay. Now legs, what is legs? Legs is help us to run, jumping and also stand. We stand with our help of the legs and walk also, run, jump and play games. We play games, football, cricket, anything else we can, it will be help to leg also. Each leg has a thigh and knee and foot. Each leg, in our leg, thigh and knee and foot also is present. Okay, next slide. Now, the internal organs. Now, our discussing point or part is internal organs. What is brain? Brains our internal organs, major internal organs. It is controls of our body parts and body movement. Everything will be controlled by the brains. Okay, if the brain will be the damage, then you will be die. You will lead to die also. Okay, it is help us to think. Brain is help us to think and remember the things. Whatever we can read, whatever we can write, it will be remembered through our brain. If your brain will be sharp, then the remember whatever you can read in your home, it will be remembered long lasting. Okay, it is the picture of brain and brain picture will be on there. Now move to the heart. What is heart? Heart is a pumping organ. Pumping means the pumping blood pumping organ is heart. So of our body, it makes the blood to flow all over the body parts. Heart will be flow the blood to all over the body parts and it will be is a pumping organ. If your heart will be the damage or heart failure, then you also will lead to die. So it will be most important organ to our body parts, internal body parts. Number 3 now. Okay. Now, lungs. Internal body parts is lungs. We have two lungs. And they help us to breathe. Lungs is help us to breathing system. If your lungs will be damaged, then it will be cannot take the breath out or in, then you also will die if your lungs will be damaged. Kidneys, what is kidneys? Kidneys is a filtering organ of our body. So filtering means which part of the filter the working as a kidney is a blood filtering organ. If your kidney failure, then you also will lead to die. So please careful to take care of your kidneys. And stomach is also internal organ and help us to digest the food whatever we can eat. If your stomach will be damaged, then whatever you can eat in your home and outside anywhere, your digestive system will be lost. Okay, it is a picture of stomach, it is a picture of kidneys. Two kidneys will be there and it is a picture of lungs. Yes. Next, the move to the next slide. Okay, skeleton. All the skeleton means is the framework. All the bones are connected to as a connected with the framework. It is a skeleton. Skeleton. And what is joint? Two bones where the meet to each other. Two bones, just like a two bones where meet to each other. Meet to each other. It is a joint. It is a joint. Okay, two bones meet to each other. It is called joint. What is muscle? Muscle is help us to bone movement. Muscle is help us to bone movement. Muscle is help us to bone movement. Is it clear? Okay. Now, next slide. Now, sense organ. Sense organ. How many sense organ we will have? How many sense organ we will have? Now, 5. Okay, we can discuss this part in the next video. Okay, now we'll discuss about the sense organ. So sense organ, how many sense organ we will have by human body? The 5 sense organ. One is eyes, ears, skin, and nose, and last one will be the tongue. So 5 sense organ will we have. So what is the function? What function of the eyes? What function of eyes is help us to see whatever we can see in the nature, see in the see in our earth, whatever we can see through the help of eyes. Okay, if your eyes will be the damage, then you cannot see. Okay, you cannot see the sea, cannot see the mountain, cannot see the food, anything else you cannot see if your eyes will be the damage or no or destroyed. And what is the ears function? Ears. Here we have 2 ears. It is help us to hear. It is help us to hear. Whatever we can noise created in our world, we can hear with our ears. Okay. Skin. What is skin? Skin help us to feel. Okay. If you touch the hot things, touch the cold things, it will be feel up through the skin sense organ. Okay. Okay. And skin is the one more point will be here. Skin is the largest sense organ, largest organ in our body, largest organ in our body. Nose. What is nose? Nose help us to smell. Nose is help us to smell. Okay. If the food will be something will be the dirty things we will have, and then you can bad smell will be comes out, and smell is we can use our sense organ as a nose. Okay. Tongue. What is tongue? Tongue help us to taste different type of foods or different type of it is help us to taste different things. Whatever we can eat, something is a sweet thing, something is a sour things. It will be help us to determine the taste of tongue. Tongue will help us to determine the taste. Okay, taste of the food. Now, move to the next slide. Taking care of our sense organ. Taking care of our sense organ. Eyes. Eyes. Avoid rubbing. Rubbing means rubbing. This is called rubbing. So it is avoid to rubbing. Okay. Ears. Stay away from the loud noise. Loudness. Where the loud noise will be created, then you can be stay away from this place. If you not to do, then your ear will be damaged. Okay. If the power of the sound is 60 decibel off, then it will be harmful to our ear. Skin is the largest organ. Take bath every day. If you take bath every day and also clean to our body also every day. If you do not do, then your skin will be damaged. And now the tongue, don't eat very hot or cold things. If you eat the very hot things, this also be harmful to your tongue. And also if you have to take the very cold things, it will also be harmful to your tongue. Next, number 9. So now the question answer will be on there. So first question will be discussed, dash, fill in the blanks. Dash is the internal organ. Here is the two option will be there, eyes and stomachs. Eyes and stomach. So stomach, we cannot see the necktie, so stomach is the right answer. Stomach is the internal organ. We cannot see the necktie. And now dash is the number 2 question. Dash is the largest sense organ. We discussed previously few minutes ago. So skin is the largest sense organ. Okay. Number 3, we think with our legs. We think with our legs, definitely it is a false. We think with our brain. We think with our brain. Okay. Our toes are present on the hand. Toes doesn't present on the hand. Toes present in the foot, leg. It is okay. So it is also false. We see with our ears. It is also be false. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. Okay. Next, move to the next slide. So thank you. This is your topic. It's completed. And please like, follow, and subscribe the channel. Okay.